Hi and welcome to this next module in Google Ads for Local Business video course. In this module, I'm going to talk briefly about structuring your account, specifically structuring your campaigns. Now, so many people get this wrong. And before I start telling you of the right way to structure your campaigns, I'm going to talk about the wrong way to structure your campaigns. So maybe you're familiar with the format of your Google Ad account, where you've got a campaign and you've got ad groups, and within your ad groups is where you have your keywords, and attached to your ad groups is also your ads. Okay, so ad groups are called ad groups for a reason, because the ads are attached to that group of keywords. Okay, now the classic mistake that people make is they create one campaign, one ad group, and then they put about 300 keywords in that one ad group. Okay, now maybe those 300 keywords are relevant to their business, that's fine, but they put them all in the one ad group. Now 300 keywords are unable to be all closely related to each other. So say you're a dental business, and your keywords that you want to bid on are like, teeth whitening, dental implants, root canal, and Invisalign, etc. So they put all those keywords in that one ad group. And the problem with this is that only one ad can be shown for each ad group. Okay, and so if somebody types into Google dental implants, the ad that's attached to it should talk about dental implants. Okay, and it's impossible for that to happen when you have all those keywords in the one ad group, to have one ad that is relevant for all those keywords. So that's the classic mistake that people make. So the right way to structure your account is, you can have one campaign, that's fine, but you should have ad groups that are themed by your keywords. So you would have one ad group for dental implants and an ad that talks about dental implants. You'll have a separate ad group that talks about root canal, and an ad that talks specifically attached to that ad group talking about root canal. You might have another one for teeth whitening. And once again, so you have multiple keyword themed ad groups, and the ads that are attached to those ad groups are really tightly related to whatever those keywords are. And this forces really good ad relevance. So when somebody types in, dental implants, the ad that they are seeing talks specifically about whatever keyword was triggered there. Okay, so structuring your campaigns and your account is critical to the success of your Google Ad account, basically, because if you don't do that, you get a bad click-through rate. People don't click on your ads. Google doesn't like that. They whack you with a bad quality score, which is a whole other concept which we cover in our full course. But basically, with a bad quality score, you get penalized with high cost per clicks, higher than other people. And really the whole thing is just a disaster. Okay, so we talk about account structure, of course, inside Teach Traffic in our video course if you want more information about it. But essentially that's just it in a nutshell. You create really tightly themed ad groups to get really good ad relevance, and then you have the best chance of success. Alrighty, hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned for the next module.